and this is our video class. This time we're going to talk about something that is a nightmare to some students: the TH sounds. If you have trouble pronunciating these sounds, just know you are not alone. So I'm here to help you a little bit with that. Here we go. There are two ways to pronounce TH in English. The first one is TH unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, as in birthday, math, Thursday, south, think, in 3. Alright? Only air passes through the mouth, like this. You have to put your tongue between your teeth and below. Note that no vibration in the vocal cords, no vibration in your throat, only air. Again, birthday, math, Thursday, south, think, 3. This is TH unvoiced, alright? The second one is TH voiced. The vocal cords vibrate. You can feel it if you touch it. It's like this. Alright? As in brother, together, these, their, father. Right? There is a vibration different, the unvoiced TH, that no vibration. Here is again, brother, together, these, their, father. Alright? It's just a matter of practice, since we don't have these sounds in Portuguese language. So that's why it can be difficult for us Brazilian learners of the English. So we have to practice. My advice for you is practice, practice, practice. Right? In a point, you're going to see, to feel the difference that we incorrect spelling and pronunciation, right? So practice until you master. I hope you have enjoyed the video and this is helpful for you and your studies. And see you next time. Be careful, take care of yourselves, and see you soon, right? Bye.